protected at the right side door.
Hi, I'm Claudia and I'm ready to go. I'm leaving this awesome place that I shared with you last week, the one near Yuma. And I'm on my way to the SAGUARO National Park. And I have a last minute visitor and I don't know what to do. He's messing up my plans. Let me show you this little stinker that decides to show up last minute.
Meow. Oh, what's your story? Is this your home? Somebody leaves trash here, huh? Meow. Meow, meow, meow. Is it a lizard? Wanna get it? Wanna go get it? My cat is coming back. Meow. Hi, cutie. Oh my gosh, you're here. Nanai, what's your story? Nanai, you're under my teeth. I don't know how to help you. You wanna come with me? You wanna come with me? Oh, you're so sweet. You came back. You came back. Nanai. Do I need to take you with me? Oh. Oh my God, what can I do? Oh, sweetheart. What an adorable. Oh my goodness. Left a little bit of water. Oh, I'm ready to go, but now I found this baby. What is this, sweetie? I want to help you. Come here.
Isn't he adorable? I don't know what to do. I'm ready to go. Everything outside is packed, so I am going to clean up my mess here. And if he's still outside, I may just take him with me. I don't have the heart to leave him behind, but I don't know what else to do. I mean, I could walk around with it, and I don't know if it's a boy or a girl. I'm gonna assume it's a boy. I don't know if I could walk around with him to see if it belongs to someone else, but it doesn't have any tags. He feels skinny. So I am not sure what his story is, but I don't know what to do. So anyway, I'm gonna use the time to figure it out while I pack the inside, and then I'll go check it when I'm ready to go. Then if he's here, even though I wasn't planning, I'm ready to take him with me. You know, what else can I do?
Yes? Come here. Come here. Are you itchy? Huh? Come here. No. You just want some love, huh? Who are you? Oh, no. You're so pretty. You don't have a tag. It's okay. You just liked it. You just liked it, huh?
Now I'm ready to go. And I went to check on him and he's not there. I'm actually a little bit sad, even though I don't feel ready to adopt a pet because I am too selfish to care for it. I was actually ready for this one. And I always felt that this is the way it's gonna happen for me. Some pet is gonna adopt me because, like I said, I am too selfish to adopt right now. Maybe someday when I can stay put and have a few animals, but not right now. So anyway, it's getting late. This little stinker took a lot of my time, and now I have to still empty my tanks and get propane, and it's getting late. So I need to get on the road. Let's vamonos! I'm here at the Circle K, and I just dumped my tanks for $9, and now I'm waiting for propane, but this is such a busy area, so I gotta wait for somebody. And I don't know, time is passing by and it's getting late. I don't want to get there when it's too dark, so but I just have to wait. And my batteries are full, my propane is full, my water is not full, but I don't want to travel with a full tank of water, and water is easier to get, I think. And then my other tanks are empty, ready to go. Ready for the next adventure and meeting new friends. My friend from Travis Family Travels. I'm running out of gas, but I'm also running out of daylight, so I'm just gonna take a chance. Well, today is my second day since I arrived to this new boondocking spot near the SAGUARO National Park. And because I got here when it was dark, I just parked in the same spot that the first spot I found, and it's in a corral. And it's not bad, it's just full of poop. I think it's cow's poop, and where there's poop there may be flies. So I just unhooked the Jeep. It wasn't easy. Sometimes the bar gets stuck. But now I'm going to take the Jeep and tour the area and see if I find a better parking spot. This is pretty good, but again, I'm just concerned about the poop. It is so pretty. The road is kind of narrow and soft, but the area is very, very pretty. The road does get narrow and sandy and bumpy, and I haven't seen any sites available yet, and I don't want to keep driving because it gets narrower. So I think I'm gonna turn around. If it was just a Jeep, no problem, but I don't like taking the RV into bumpy areas because it's not good for it. But I'm looking forward to doing a lot of Jeep camping in the future. So I found another campsite, but I don't know if I can put the Jeep and the RV in it. So let me show you the road. It's just so pretty, like a garden. And then you come into the side here, and yeah, I think I could actually use this one. And I think I'm going to set my tent and make my new home here. Yep. And what is this? Did somebody just burn that cactus? I don't know what to think of it, but it is a sad sight, isn't it? I changed my mind. I look at this side just next to where I am parked right now, and it seems small to me, but I drove by again and it doesn't seem that small anymore. And I think I'm gonna prefer this, so I don't have to drive too much far in. Let me show you. And that's a corral, and it's nice and all, but it has a lot of poop. And here is next door. I thought it was too small, but I don't think so anymore. So I'm gonna go get it. This is the corral that I came in last night. And all that. Boop. Boop, boop, boop everywhere. Which is okay because it's a corral. So I'm gonna move the Mini to next door. So this is home for the next couple weeks. Boondocking. I mean, I don't think you can get this in RV park. This is our BLM land, and I appreciate it very much. Thank you for this beautiful garden that I can call home. Good morning. It's a beautiful day, a beautiful morning here in paradise. I have my own desert garden, and I am just the happiest. This is 100% where I feel the happiest. You know, I have to say with some level of confidence that anyone could be enjoying a moment like this, because this beautiful garden, this beautiful desert land is public land, your land, a free state. And I know the gas prices are terrible, and I really don't want to be driving around much. So I am just gonna soak in the nature and find more public lands like this. And look at behind me. I know those are the jumping cacti. You don't want to be close to those because people say they will literally jump at you. Anyway, I just felt inspired this morning to come outside, get my coffee, share with you this beautiful morning in my private desert garden. So let me show you around. There's the Jeep, my tiny house, the Mini, my new addition, my outdoor living room.